We, the jury, find the defendant, Theodore Edgecomb, guilty of first-degree reckless homicide.
A guilty verdict delivered in the trial of a Milwaukee bicyclist who shot and killed a Milwaukee attorney. A jury convicting Theodore Edgecomb of a lesser charge after initially facing the most serious charge of first-degree intentional homicide.
Edgecomb claimed he acted in self-defense when he killed Jason Clearman on the Holton Street Bridge in 2020. CBS 58's Kristen Barbarisi has been covering this case for months and has more on today's verdict.
The jury reached their verdict with only about 2.5 hours of deliberations and asking only one question. The courtroom was silent, and Theodore Edgecomb showed no emotion as the guilty verdict was read.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Theodore Edgecomb, guilty of first-degree reckless homicide.
The jury reached their decision shortly after asking to rewatch a video of the fatal encounter. The judge allowed them to view it once in the courtroom. It shows the Clearman car follow Edgecomb. Clearman gets out, walks towards Edgecomb, and is shot. The defense maintained the video showed the Clearman car runs Edgecomb off the road, then Jason Clearman gets out and chases him.
Ms. Clearman's testimony says it was her husband that advanced toward Mr. Edgecomb. That's why self-defense is at play.
But prosecutors disagreed, arguing the video shows Clearman, who had just been punched by Edgecomb, walks up to Edgecomb and is almost immediately shot in the face.
When Jason, the victim, gets there, he has nothing in his hand. Nothing. No weapon. Every portion and escalation of violence came from the defendant.
The jury agreed. Edgecomb faces up to 60 years in prison for the homicide and up to 6 years and 9 months for 2 bail jumping charges he pled guilty to before the trial started. Attorneys for both sides declined to comment after the verdict. Edgecomb will be sentenced on April 8th. They will conduct a pre-sentence investigation before that date. Reporting in Milwaukee, Kristen Barbarisi, CBS 58 News.